everyone, welcome to our new listing, 23 Winterhawk Drive, Arden, North Carolina 28704. This beautiful house has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and the price I will tell almost in the end of the video. And I want to show you inside today, and it's a new construction, very beautiful house, luxury finishings. Let's go inside and see what's there. We chose the coldest day to film this video, and we have little deer to help us. Welcome. Look how big this living room is. White oak floors, nice modern trims. Ceiling fans are remote controlled, and also this nice electric fireplace. It has a remote, very easy to turn it on with one button. You can also change the colors of the fire. Changing colors of the fire. It's red now. And blue, for example. And also you can control the temperature right here. Let's go see other features of this house. Open floor plan. Let's go on the left. We have a big closet here for the clothing, or if you have a ladder, you can store the ladder here. Half bathroom. And garage. Look at this nice epoxy flooring.
This is one of the newer garages I've seen.
Yes,
it's really nice.
So nice and smells good.
It does smell really good.
Let's go see the kitchen. This kitchen is a dream of any person who cooks or even doesn't cook. It's so pretty. Ginormous kitchen island. You can put probably 4 chairs here and have breakfast. So faucets in this house have golden finishings. It's very pretty. Dishwasher, General Electric. Gas stove is General Electric, and refrigerator, General Electric. It comes with the house. Also, this side of the island has nice microwave. It's so fancy. Inside of the microwave, there is a control panel, but when you close it, you don't even see anything. So cabinets are, of course, soft closing. A lot of storage space. Here and here, whole pantry cabinet. Look how deep the shelving is.
Fit a lot of food in there.
A lot of food. So, let's see the corner cabinet. It spins around. For the things you don't use all the time. Really cool.
Can I see inside the fridge?
Yes. So this fridge has ice maker, and it's a pretty big refrigerator.
Wow. That's really nice.
So this house has a master bedroom downstairs. Also nice porch. I would love to lead you to the porch first. It's a very cold day, but still, it would be cool to see. There is so much space to put furniture, and it all has nice finishings. Look at this floor and ceilings. Everything is beautiful. Builders didn't save money. They invested a lot to make your living very comfortable and beautiful. Let's go see master bedroom. Master bedroom has entrance to the porch, which is very nice. A lot of lighting in this room. 2 windows plus French doors. Let's go see the walk-in closet.
Wow, could live in here.
Yes, it's very big.
Wow.
And of course, master bath. Absolutely beautiful. Also soft closing cabinets and gold finishings on all their features. Let's walk into the shower. Nice shelf for your shampoos and stuff. So this is the first floor, and I welcome you to see the second floor. And I see you up there. Look at the staircase. It features white oak wood, also modern rails. Very pretty. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and full bathroom. Every bedroom has walk-in closet, which is very amazing. Let's go see. Let's start from this little room. A lot of lighting. Big closet, look. I can go inside. If I can go inside, it's walk-in closet. It's private here because you don't see neighbors' windows looking into you. I would say it's very private room. Next room across the hall. Another bedroom without windows of your neighbors. It's private too. And a big closet. I can go over there. Please take a look at the flooring. This natural white oak. It gives the bright feeling, very cozy and homey. You can, with these colors, you can decorate every room with any color. It will all be good. And walls a little, very pleasant. How would you call that color?
It's like eggshell.
Eggshell. Another beautiful closet.
Lots of storage space.
A lot of space. Can be your office, can be bedroom, can be kids' room. Anything you want to do with it. So here we go straight to the bathroom. Bathroom has 2 sinks, gold finishings, nice mirrors and pictures. So, and shower is very unique. It's actually tub and the shower at the same time. So, and tile goes all the way up to protect the ceiling.
My goodness.
It's very good quality and beautiful granite. I think it's granite. And shelves for your towels and toiletries. It's pretty private too. We don't have any neighbor windows looking into your house. So soft closing, a lot of storage. We have a lot of stuff. So if you have a lot of stuff, this place will be good for you. Also, I want to show you the laundry room upstairs. It has double doors. Look how much space for side to side.
Hope you like washing your clothes.
even if you don't like it, you still have to do it. So and it can be shelves here, maybe cabinet. So a lot of options here. And one more closet upstairs. One more closet upstairs. Good lighting. So let's go to this room. It's very sunny and we're gonna talk about the price and all the details.
Yeah, I like this room. Sun shining right into it.
Oh yeah. This whole house was built the way I think it's looking southeast. Every time I come here, it's always sunny. Of course, when clouds, there is no clouds. So this house can be yours for $649,000, and it's listed by Edwards Realty, my agency. And my name is Ekaterina Hagen. Please contact me, and contacts will be in description and also maybe on the screen. We'll see how it will go. So this little community with all new houses, it has about 9 houses. You can see a few from the window, some of them still for sale. Uh, Neighbor's house was recently sold for 705,000 at modern style, good finishings. And what else I can say? HOA $500 per year. It's mandatory. And what's included? Probably road maintenance. There is no clubhouse, no pool, but it's just very cozy little community close to the airport. Airport is 10 minutes away. All the restaurants and shopping malls 5 minutes away. Lowe's probably 3 minutes away. So um, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this house. If you like it, put thumbs up, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.